Premier Trailer Leasing has a large inventory of new and late model dry vans, and we pack them with more features, more technology, and more capabilities than anyone else. Just tell us what you need, and we've got the solution. We've got auto spec and rail-ready options with 28 to 53-foot box lengths, equipped with air ride suspension, swing or overhead doors, and aluminum roofs. We'll set you up for everything from over-the-road to cartage and storage use. Plus, our trailers are equipped with advanced fleet locate technology to help you monitor and manage your fleet, including optional cargo sensing that scans the entire trailer to prevent inefficient cargo management. At Premier, we put more into our dry vans so you can get more out of them. All of our trailers provide real-time GPS trailer tracking and geofencing, and our web-based customer dashboard provides quick and easy access to your account information. With one of the largest fleets in the industry, including dry vans, reefers, lift gates, flatbeds, and chassis, and a growing nationwide network of locations, we have the equipment you need right where you need it. Premier, a new lease on trailer leasing.